Why do pool servicers get paid so little when the job is way more demanding than most people think? Okay, so here's the deal. A lot of folks see pool servicing as just cleaning and routine checks, which kind of makes it sound like anyone can handle it, right? But really, keeping a pool balanced with chemicals, spotting early equipment issues, and handling unexpected problems takes some real know-how. If you want to save cash, make sure you're not skipping regular maintenance because that's what keeps big repairs away. Also, find someone who actually knows their stuff. Ask about certifications or experience with your specific pool type. Don't just go for the cheapest option. Sometimes paying a bit more means fewer headaches later. If you're a pool owner, keep an eye on water clarity and pH levels regularly so you catch problems early. And if you're thinking about doing it yourself, start small. Learn about testing kits and basic cleaning tools first before trying to fix complex issues. Trust me, a little effort up front can save you from shelling out thousands down the line. One of the biggest mistakes in pool servicing is ignoring the chemistry balance, which leads to cloudy water and unhappy swimmers. Fix this by testing your water weekly and adjusting chemicals accordingly. Another common issue is skipping filter maintenance, causing poor water circulation and potential equipment damage. Clean or replace your filters regularly to keep things flowing right. Lastly, many people underestimate how important it is to check for leaks early. Ignoring them can result in huge water bills and structural damage. Keep an eye out for wet spots around the pool and call a pro if you suspect leaks before they get worse. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're hunting for trusted local contractors who know pools and other big home jobs. It also gives contractors a chance to connect with homeowners looking for someone reliable without all the hassle.